Ano? You go there. You go hide? Huh? Nawala na si Yudin. Tutok takos na ay dapay. May kadway. Hindi pagkabilan si 2x2. Ayun, tulo ay di day. Nakaanap das. Ang isulok ang daida. Kabirok das friends. Di si Yudin si de. Yudin! Nakaanap daw sa friends. Ito pa di friends na. Mali kayo ta basaak na kayo libro. Ano? No, don't bite it. Anong ginagawa mo? Huh? Here, you're counting now. So how many? You have 4? Look at this. I'm gonna put this one here. Put this one here. This one here. This one here. Then this one here. This one here. No, this one here. Yeah. This one here. Look at that. Give me that one, the red one there. This one. Put it here. Yeah, here. Like that. See that? Oh, wow. I don't know what are we building. We build something not good. Huh? Oh. Let's pour that. There you go. Oh my God. Ano? What's that ngay? Ano yan yun din? Ha? Ano nga yan? Ha? Uy, ano yan? House? Oh, a house. So you live there? What's that? That's a door. Oh. So where's the window? Put some window. This is the roof, yeah?
Yeah.
So this is the door.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Let's.
What? What?
Mhm. Mhm.
What?
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. That's good. Good job. Good job. Ginagawa mo dyan? Ha? You're hiding? Oh my gosh. You're hiding to whom? Huh? To whom? Is Jensel is looking for you?
Yes.
Jensel or Yanara?
Nana.
Yanara too?
Yes.
How about Olpo?
What is this?
Both three of them?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. No. This coffee.
Oh my gosh. Baka may ginawa ka. Baka may ginawa ka. You did something wrong? No? Sure? Why are you hiding there? Are you playing hide and seek? Oh, okay. Okay. So what's that book? What's that book? May I see that book? May I see that book? Come on. See? Oh! Is this... Look at that book.
Eat.
Present dog. Present's dog. Yeah, what's that? Uh-huh. Ted Arnold's. It's a bone. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Why are you? Huh? Hide? Oh my god. Open the book. Saan ka? You're hiding?
Yes. Hide.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Jensel is hero. Who's hiding? Who's the seeker?
I don't know the name. It's just around.
Oh, how about Yudin? Is Yudin playing with you guys? No, but Yudin is hiding here. Yeah, he said he said you're looking for him.
You don't know how to read? You didn't stay there hide.
Yeah, he said hide. Mm-hmm. Huh? Yana? Oh, no.
Where's she?
What? Are you playing hide and seek?
Where's she?
Who?
Where's Yana?
Yana is, I don't know. Oh, he's looking for you there. He went in the washroom. Where's Yudin? Huh? This Ulpo. I know. Si Yudin. Yudin! Naghanap din si Yudin sa'yo?
No.
Ha?
It's only Yana and Johan.
Yana niya. Who's that there over there? Look. No, there.
Yeah!
Shh. Keep quiet. You go hide also. Saan yung dalawa? Oh, Johan is there. Oh. Nagtatago yung dalawa. Oh, Yana is coming. Oh, nawala. Yana is coming.
Did you see Jessa?
No?
It's because of this phone, bro. It's
Why?
because of Yudin. No, because I saw the phone pointing.
No? We're just talking.
But did you
on the first one, when
Oh,
I
this
was
one she's
hiding,
joining.
Johnson was hiding there. Indiana was hiding
Damn, bro, did I win?
Huh?
Did I win?
You on your A.
Damn, bro, y'all suck.
So who's that seeker now?
You can, all of you are gonna hide. Okay. Okay, 3, 2,
Oh, Johan is.
You're counting. 2, 1, go.
There you go.
Hey, I saw that face. I saw that face. I saw you went. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
So die, boy.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, go find them. Good luck. Oh, see you then. How about you? Olpo.